guys, we have a problem, you know. Cars are becoming slower, heavier. In terms of efficiency, they're becoming in terms of efficiency, they've become great, no doubt. Fuel efficiency is also improved. Emissions have reduced, but the soul is gone completely. Today, no matter what car you pick, fastest car, I mean, it is fast, but that rawness, that madness, that craziness isn't there at all.
A Tata Safari is on sale right now.
Yeah, but it's going to be discontinued by the time the video is edited. So now, what I'm thinking is that we need to buy a car which has the soul, which is fun to drive, which will make you feel excited, which is not expensive, and which we can modify like crazy.
Second hand लेनी है.
Obviously, first hand में तो कोई गाड़ी है भी नहीं. First hand में which car you will buy which has the soul?
इससे तो पुरानी गाड़ी लेनी है.
What's the budget?
Under 1 lakh rupees.
So, what do we plan to do with the car?
So basically,
Bike भी नहीं आती 1 lakh में.
you can get a nice car for under a lakh.
Nice.
I'm talking about a car from the old era. It has to be a stock car, and most importantly, it has to be a petrol car. It should be able to seat 4 in comfort, and it should be mod friendly.
Requirement की list देख रहे हो आप?
I think we should be open to diesel cars also. You get a lot of good diesel cars.
Diesel cars are not easy to modify.
Exactly.
You can remap the turbo.
See,
You also get the Get CRDI, which was a bomb 1.5
Dude,
liter.
I'm not talking about going fast in a straight line. You have to turn also. There's a corner which will come. What will you do then?
You get cars like the Octavia, PD.
No, the simple format is here that we can never agree on one car. This dude is talking about Octavia. Which one will you buy for 1 lakh rupees?
Something Japanese.
Like
Something VTech.
something VTech.
Something
मतलब
ये something वो
that
सोते
Dolphin
रहेंगे.
shaped Honda City also used to come.
No, Honda City is a good option.
What about you? You don't tell. You're not a car guy. We should not even include him here. Why is he
We
even
should
sitting
get bikes, no, Dhanil. We can get bikes, yeah.
But नहीं,
Perfect motorcycles.
here? Yeah,
under
as
1
long
lakh.
as 4 people can sit in comfort.
We can get that गोलमाल वाला bike ना.
रोहित शेट्टी से
हाँ,
बात
सब लोग
करता हूँ
साथ में
मैं.
बैठ के
4 लोग बैठ के जाएंगे.
This is a car discussion.
मैं चाय पीता हूँ फिर.
खाना पूरा खत्म हो गया. Anyways, seriously speaking, guys, we cannot agree on one car. So let's do one thing. All of you guys go out, find one car which you think fits into the criteria, and finally we'll decide on one car. Now obviously we'll never agree on your car is better or my car is better.
Bike.
Bike.
Car is better. So
car.
we will let Javed finally judge because he's more practical in that sense. That which is the best car, and we'll buy that car and then we will modify. It should be fast. If it's not fast, it should give you the feeling of fast.
You chop off the roof, it'll give you the feeling of
It is
fast.
about
Any
the feeling,
motorcycle,
but
any
it should
car.
be weatherproof. It should handle. So Gets and all Hyundai cars are out of the picture.
But what if it
We
is
want to make it
already
a
fast?
racer, you know. And he's asking, what if the car is already fast? What are you getting under 1 lakh, bro?
If it is already fast, you will make it even faster.
ये इंजन का कुछ कर रहा है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ घपला है इसका. ये ऑलरेडी मॉडरेट गार्ड ला रहा है, हायाबुसा का इंजन मारुति में लगा रहा है.
Stock car.
मतलब समझो.
Okay, guys, get to work. Come
Super
on.
car beater.
Everyone, when we will meet next time is after we going and seeing all our cars.
Done.
ठीक है?
So we'll give our options to Javed and then he'll finally decide which car to buy.
We'll need how many? 3 to 4 days.
Setting करनी पड़ेगी शायद.
Let's keep a 1 week timeline.
1 week, guys.
इसको समझाओ, ये बोल रहे जावेद से सेटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. ये सब चीटिंग नहीं चलेगी.
Corruption कर रहा है ये,
There is no
देखो यार.
setting involved. Parameters are very clear. Okay, all our cars will be put in the list, and finally we'll be able to compare
And
why this car was chosen.
there will be no भैया कोटा, okay? हाँ.
तुम यूपी से
तुमको
आए हो,
बोल
इसका
रहा हूँ.
मतलब ये नहीं कि
नहीं जावेद is your भैया.
भैया बोला.
कमाल है यार.
नहीं, but seriously, why we have called Dhanil?
मैं चाय पीने को आया.
क्योंकि ये क्या करे? मैं चाय पीने को आया. You know what he's going to get? This guy
Honda Dio लेके आएगा.
Honda
modified,
City,
one type.
Honda City पे अटकेगा ये. Trust me on that. VTEC करेगा, Honda करेगा. That I know.
Honda.
This dude, I know what he's going to get. Mostly, I think this dude will get an Octavia. Skoda fan, na, big time. This guy will
Thanks
get
for the idea.
This guy will get. I know what will this guy get. He will get Corsa or Sail or something.
Beat CNG.
And this guy, I know
बोल
what he's
लेते.
going to get. He's going to get Indigo CS.
Taxi.
अरे Uber ज्वाइन कर रहा है.
क्या ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है?
150 पुणे.
I'll get a good car.
150 पुणे. अच्छा सब प्रेडिक्ट करो. फैजल क्या लाएगा?
फैजल वो 3 व्हीलर लाएगा बजाज के. वो मिलती है 1 लाख में. रियर इंजन है उसमें, तो वो लाएगा रिक्शा.
It should be able to seat 5. You guys can shrink in size and fit 5, then that's fine.
दूसरा कप चाय पी रहा हूँ मैं.
नहीं हम लोग सोफे पे बैठ के चलाएंगे.
That dude is drinking my tea.
And we are here discussing about cars.
मैं चाय पीने आया हूँ.
मैं चाय पीनी
See,
है.
I don't have hope from him, bike guy. I don't have hope from him, Tata guy. You two guys versus me. Game is on.
Bro.
You can team up.
We will.
We might.
We will.
We just might.
So okay, the next video should be about the cars.
And Javed is going to decide, right?
Yeah. So I think we should show people what cars and let's take public voting
Javed
to
का
validate our
number
opinion.
दें Javed.
No, he's not available on phone now.
मेरे पास है ले लो.
मेरे पास भी है ना.
ठीक है.
ठीक है guys, done.
Okay, cool.
चलो.
See you.
See you
All the
next
best.
week.
All the best.
Excuse me.
All the best.
May the best car be MotorBeam's car now.
All the best.
Yes, may the best car be MotorBeam's
And
project
remember one
car.
thing, I don't put personal bias here because if it is mod friendly, we'll be able to do a lot, prove a lot of things, go fast, have fun.
That is why we'll buy the car of my choice.
चलो यार
चलो.
चलो चलो.
तुम लोग चलो मैं चाय पी लेता हूँ.
मैं चाय पीने आया हूँ.
In the next episode of MotorBeam Project Car, the Fantastic Five now had to do one of the things they fear the most: walk. After being the gully boys of Navi Mumbai, Faisal got turned on with the exhaust note and decided to go on a date.
नंबर दो ना भाई अपना.
Meanwhile, Ariz was busy doing the Basanti dance. And well parked, he found a better alternative to Nos for that extra performance.
इंजन लड्डू खाता है यार. Powerful होगा.
Nal was actually enjoying the sound of music. And last but not the least, me. I had gone for the best possible thing 1 lakh rupees can buy. A motorcycle. Well, cause I'm awesome. Stay tuned for the next episode.